Have you ever stopped to ask yourself how much the Google logo cost? Or Coca? A while ago, the Stock Logos website published a list showing the value that some of the main brands on the planet spent on their logos. The values are surprising. Some, because they are too cheap, and others for their exorbitant prices. Microsoft. The company used its own in-house design team to update its logo in 2012. Google, $0. Although Google's famous rainbow logo has undergone minor changes over the years, the original design was created in 1998 by Google co-founder Sergey Brin at GIMP. The famous Coca logo was created by Frank M. Robinson in 1886, as he was a company clerk. The cost was $0. According to the soda website, Robinson suggested the name Coca-Cola, thinking that the two Cs would look good in advertising. Twitter bought the rights to its now famous logo for $15 on iStock Photo. Nike co-founder Phil Knight bought the famous swoosh logo from graphic design student Carolyn Davidson in 1971 for $35. A few years later, Nike also ceded 500 stock options to Carolyn, which are currently worth more than $600,000. Paul Rand received $33,000 for creating the Enron logo in the 1990s. Rand also created logos for ABC, IBM, UPS, Next, and Westinghouse. Mark Agency created the letterhead for international athletic competition. Paul Rand also designed the Next logo for Steve Jobs in 1986, this time for $100,000. The organizing committee for the 2012 Olympics disbursed £400,000, about $625,000 for what turned out to be a very controversial logo. Wolf Allens designed the logo in 2007 and was criticized for being too sloppy or similar to Lisa Simpson. The Arnold Group redesigned the Pepsi logo for $1 million in 2008. According to Stock Logos, the listed prices include a complete branding package. The BBC remade its logo in 1997, for $1.8 million. In 2000, Landor Associates charged the $100 million trifle for the new Accenture logo. According to Stock Logos, BP spent $211 million on its logo in 2008.